Good day, sir. Good day. So today I'm gonna explain my simple phone book project. And without further ado, I'm gonna start. But before that, I'm gonna explain first the code. And after explaining the code, I will gonna explain the output or how my code works and how it works in the output. So as you can see, I define my structure called as person, and it contains contact, which is name, address, country code. I actually also include country code and the mobile number, sex, and email of the person. See here, we are defining person data type the struct person, and these are the function. I declared all the function which will be needed in our phone book project. Here, remove all, front menu, add person, there's record, search person, remove person, update person, as well as this, taking the input from the user with a phone pointer. And here, I also include this void CLR SCR, which is used for clearing our screen. In main, here I have the system color 3F. This add color in our output. You will gonna see it in the later. I will gonna explain it to you. And so here I called start function. Start function contains the print menu of our phone book, but I will gonna explain it further here below. So right now here in the function start, I initialize choice since we are having switch case. Here, as you can see, this is our switch case, and its switch case has the function. Yeah. So after that, we are going to print those data here. So this will be the outlook of our code of our menu. So next thing is we are going to explain the function, which is add person. Here we're going to add a contact in our code. As you can see, I also put some switch case, an option which the user can easily access in those kind of function like add person, remove person, update person, or edit those contact of the person, and as well they can exit easily if they want. And so here I even use the system clear to clear our screen. So before that, we can't add contact if we want to take information from the user. So here we're now in the void in the function take input, where I also use a pointer. So this will be happen. So we're asking those information from the user, like the name, address, country code, mobile number, sex, email, and so on. So, and as you can see here, in a sorting part, I put this sorting inside the list record, where I'm only focused on the names of the contacts. Yeah, like in the useful phone book in our phone, the name it only sorted by name. Yeah, usually it is sorted by name alphabetically. So I'm thinking that I better also apply this here in my code. So I'm putting my sorted part inside the list record. So here it goes. Since we are already asking the contact information from the user, we are going to list the record, display the record. So before that, we are using file handling. Yeah, as you can see, we are opening our file. I'm gonna explain. The name of our file is phonebook.db. So here we are opening our file. Since we're done asking, like even here above, I'm also in add person. We're also opening our file for us to record the information that has been inputted by the user. So in display, so since we are displaying it here, this will be the outlook of our display record and how our record has been displayed here. So next thing I need to explain is the void search person. So here we are going to search on a certain person, but here I'm only focusing on searching the phone number, not the name and not the email. I'm only focused on the phone number. So as you can see, we're also opening our file here since we are going to get the information from the user, the one that we decide to search. And this will be showed here, the outlook. And if you notice here, this shows the length of those information in name, address, country code, sex, or email. Yeah, this will be the length that will be displayed here in this. So again, I also put some switch case which give an option for the user so that they can easily access those functions that they want to apply. Like they can easily go add new contact, delete, edit, or even exit on the project, on the phone book. So again, here, actually in search, I have this. I have this in the case 2, which is delete. I am asking the user if he or she wants to delete the contact. So here we're going to open our file. Then the user can easily delete those contacts. It will be showed later on. I'm gonna explain it to user. So here and this is the other function, which is remove person. And I also here I'm only focused on getting the contact number from the user on who she wanted to delete, but only she can only input here the phone number. And again, you're gonna open the file so that we can get the record and delete it, as well as in the update person. Same goes here. We're focused on the contact number of the person. We're gonna open the file, and there it goes. It will be updated. And the nice thing here is in this function remove all, we can delete all the data or information that has been inputted by the user in the file. So all those records that has been saved in the file will be deleted here in this function. And so that is that is the code. So later on I will gonna explain how this looks like if we run this code. So sir, I'm gonna show you the output of my code, like how it looks like. As I've said, I choose this color 3F. Yeah, as we mentioned here in my system color 3F. So this is the color of it. So let's see how this works. First, let's look on our last record. So here we have existing contacts that I've inputted already. So as you can see, sir, here those contact that is contains in our structures are displayed here: the name, address, country code, phone number, sex, and email. And as you have noticed, sir, the names are sorted alphabetically here. So since I've said that I'm only focused on sorting on the names of the contacts alphabetically, like, yeah, I'm only focused in there, so I don't need to delete this all. Or later I will try to show you, sir, that it is possible that I could delete this all contacts. But before that, I'm gonna show you the other options in my code. So since we're done seeing the list record or display of our contacts, how about let's try to add another contact. So we're gonna choose two choice. Here again. So I'm gonna choose Sarah and Hambre. Poblacion, country code 63, mobile numbers 09 23 245 245 5657. The sex is female. At gmail.com. So record added successfully. So so as you can see here, in the add new contact, I made a switch statement. As I explained before, that I have the switch statement, and in each case I call those function like this void start, which it friends the print menu, the add new contact, delete, search, which we can even search the contacts, or edit that's contacts. So here I'll be showing you how can I delete this contact. This contact exists contact on the our screen. So I'm gonna choose 2. Since I am focused on the contact number of the user, so we're gonna input it here. 09 23 245 5657. Okay. So person removed successfully. So let's go back. So what we want to do, so let's go back in the front menu. So here I'll be showing you the search contact details, how it works, how we could edit, how we could delete, and another option again. So here we're gonna input the phone number of the person. So 0967-832-7303. So there you go. It displayed it here. All the contacts, contact information. So as I've said, I made a switch case, and this showed the option. It's either we go to the print menu, add new contact, delete, or edit, exit. We can also exit, but here this time we're gonna try the edit option. We're gonna tap 3. So here we're gonna input again the contact number of the user. So at least like informing the user. Early, so we're gonna input it 327303. So we can modify it this time, like what we wanted to put on. Karanam. Or yeah, Karanam. I love it. Practicing. Country code 63. Mobile numbers are 967-832-7303. Sex female. Email karenang@gmail.com. So record added successfully and data updated successfully. Input here the phone number of the person that you decide to or the user decide to see the contact information. So these are the contacts of the person. So here we are going to delete this contact that's shown in the screen. So we're gonna choose 2. So it asks that you want to delete this contact. We're gonna input yes. So person removed successfully. So now we can go back in the print menu. So as you have seen, we tried the edit or update contact inside the function search contact details. So what if here in the print menu we're gonna edit such contact? We're gonna choose file. Another contact details again 067-832-7303. Enter name Cara Maria. Then Malabo. Okay, 63. Sorry, 967-832-7303. Female. Cara Maria @gmail.com. So record added successfully. So these are the list of our contacts. So here let's try this delete all contacts, like totally delete it all. All data in the phone book deleted successfully. So let's try to see if it's still showed there in the list records. Let's choose 1. So error in file opening, please try again since we already deleted all the contact file information is ready. So now let's try to exit our phone book since we're done working on those functions. So let's choose 7. Okay. And there you goes. Thank you for using phone book. Visit again. So we're now done. And I'm now done explaining my code. Thank you for listening and hope you have a nice day. Always take care and God bless. Bye bye.